Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.
River systems and surface waters in Wales are relied upon for a variety of reasons, such as public water supply, hydropower, agriculture and industry. However, future climate change threatens to alter precipitation patterns, bring about changes in stream flow and therefore the available water resource. In one of our most recent studies of 25 run-of-river hydro schemes across Wales, we found a 11 to 15% reduction in the number of days per year that abstraction for hydropower was achievable by the 2050s. For the same time period, we found a 2 to 8% reduction in the annual abstractable volume. This obviously equates to a reduction in the generation capacity of the schemes as well. And when we consider that hydropower is a renewable energy resource and will contribute towards a greener, more sustainable future electricity generation network, it clearly is an important area of study. With this in mind, our current area of research is expanding our study to the whole of the UK and Ireland to see how future climate change will impact on stream flows and run-of-river hydropower across the region.